To use Skrill for gambling, you first need to create a Skrill account. Go to the Skrill website and click on the Sign Up button. Then fill in the required information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you need to verify it by providing identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. After verifying your account, you need to fund it. Skrill offers various funding options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Choose the funding option that suits you best and follow the instructions to deposit money into your Skrill account. Once your Skrill account is funded, you can use it to make deposits at online casinos and other gambling sites that accept Skrill. To do this, go to the gambling site and click on the deposit button. Then select Skrill as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Skrill website where you need to log into your account and confirm the transaction. When using Skrill for gambling, it is essential to set a budget and stick to it. You should also make sure that the gambling site you are using is reputable and licensed. Additionally, you should be aware of the fees associated with using Skrill, such as deposit and withdrawal fees. To withdraw your winnings, go to the gambling site and click on the withdrawal button. Then select Skrill as your withdrawal method. The withdrawal process may take a few days, depending on the gambling site and Skrill's processing time. It is also important to note that Skrill has a two-factor authentication feature that adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can enable this feature in your account settings to protect your account from unauthorized access. In conclusion, using Skrill for gambling is a convenient and secure way to make deposits and withdrawals at online casinos and other gambling sites. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily use Skrill for your online gambling activities and enjoy a seamless and secure experience.